I'm actually going to try to walk back to where this eagle landed. I can see him in the tree. How's it going, YouTube? We are in Colorado and we're finally getting some snow. So I'm gonna go get stuff ready because I'm hitting a camping area. I'm not going real far on this trip. There's a camping area I've always wanted to do in a snowstorm, and I'm gonna start getting stuff ready so I can hit that in the morning. But I gotta unbury everything first. Oh, look at this. There is some deer right there. You see them? Yeah, they're watching me, but yeah, we've gotten quite a bit of snow. I mean, probably a good 6 inches. Keeps snowing like this by morning, might actually have more, but it's nice to see some snow finally in Colorado. And I've been trying to get some snow content for you guys for so long. Just was never able to get any. It's always been so warm here. But I'm gonna finish getting all this cleaned up. As you can tell, I got a lot to do on the vehicle. I actually gotta get the trailer unburied as well. And then I'm gonna plug it in because it's actually supposed to be really nice tomorrow. All right, we got some of it cleaned up as best as I can. You know, you can now see the hood, so that'll be nice. Trailer is just gonna have to be what it is. I'm gonna try to plug this thing in. I don't know where my plug is. It is probably, I bet this is it right here. Is the end. Where's the end at? That's not the end. Aha, there it is. Found it. But I'm gonna finish getting this set up, and I'll let you guys know what the plan is in the morning. As you can see, the storm has passed. It's actually a bluebird day out right now. We're kind of had some change in plans. I'm actually not gonna go camping. I've kind of had a rough morning, so I think I'm gonna just do kind of a little day trip down by the river that's not far from my house and explore some things. I do have Bailey. Come here, Bailey. Come here, come here. Play in the snow, Bailey. Play in the snow. Come on, play in the snow. Bailey, 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 Bailey. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Sit. 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 Bailey, what are you doing? Oh, you just love the snow. You love this snow. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Bailey, get it. What's in there? Get it. Get it. Dig. Get it. Get it. Get it. That's Bailey. She's a she's a fun little dog. She has a lot of energy for being 5 years old, but yeah, she loves the snow. She's out playing in it. You don't see much of her in the videos, but you might start seeing some more with her here coming pretty soon. But let's see if I can get her to come here. Bailey, come here. What? Hey, sit, sit, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. She's always on the hunt. Look at her. She's got a nose on her. She can sniff anything. Bailey, what are you doing? We made it to a little local park that I enjoy that's close to my house. I'm gonna kind of walk along the river. The river's down here, and then when it snows like this, the river is really pretty. I kind of had to change my plans a little bit from me wanting to go camping. I need to kind of stay a little more homebound this weekend, so I'm gonna try to make the best I can out of this. Kind of doing some. I'm kind of having a snow day. I'm just kind of getting out and enjoying some things locally. The snow we're having is a really wet snow. It's a really wet spring snow, which is nice for Colorado. And I found myself a little snowman. But we're gonna go check out the river. Like I said, I'm not gonna talk through this section that we're getting ready to go do on the river because it's actually really pretty, and I want you guys to kind of hear all these sounds of we're on the South Platte River is where we're at,
So it's one of my favorite areas to come and explore. And I'm going to shut up now so you guys can listen to this beautiful river. I hope you enjoyed that little stroll through the river. I always love that little section. You can still hear it behind me a little bit. We're now at the lake, and this is a little man-made lake, but I love coming here, and it's actually real pretty with all the snow. I'll flip you guys around here. You know, I wish I would have brought my fishing poles. I'm in my other vehicle, not the Forerunner, so it's all sitting at my house. But you know, this place is not far for me to come back, and honestly, I think I'm gonna come back here tomorrow. I got a few things to do this afternoon, reason why my plans changed, but I think I will come back. It's I don't see any fish rising, but doesn't mean that I can't catch any. I've always had good luck fishing this little lake. I found me some geese again. I think this lake, this defrosted not too. I don't even know if it even froze, to be honest with you, because it's been so warm. But if it did freeze, I don't think it's been open waters for very long. But we already got some ducks and geese. They're right in there. Now we're on the other side of the lake, and you can see how pretty it is. This area, I'll kind of show you here. I'll flip you guys around. But see that old mansion right there? There's I can't remember the exact history on it. I've been in that, I want to say it was like 7 or 10 years ago. But that mansion is really cool. It's one of the most beautiful mansions I've seen in that era. I mean, the log work, the railing, just the overall structure of everything is really cool. They closed it back down because they have a major bat problem in there. So they were able to only open, I want to say like maybe 2 or 3 rooms, and and then the bat problem became an issue again, so they shut it back down. But what a sight to see when that was open. I don't think you're ever open up again because it's just been such a health issue, uh, which kind of sucks because it's probably one of the better ones out there to go see. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but there's a eagle. There he is. See him right there? That's an eagle. All right, I'm actually gonna try to walk back to where this eagle landed. I can see him in the tree. That was pretty cool to see. I forgot when I was here, it was like spring of last year. I ran into the same thing. There's an eagle that likes to hang out on this tree, but I'm gonna see if I can get a little closer and show you guys. He's a decent size. I think he's kind of on the younger side too. Okay, so I'm gonna be really quiet so I can show you guys this eagle in the tree. He's in the shade, so he might be a little hard to see, but I'm gonna flip you guys around and I'll show you him. So if you look right in there, there's an eagle hanging out in that tree. I can't zoom in at the moment because I'm on my GoPro, but I'm gonna see if I can get closer. I might actually see if I can get a picture with my phone real quick. There he goes. See him flying? I knew I was going to scare him. Where'd he go? Oh, he's flying somewhere else. Aw. Alright, I know I'm in the shadow and you can't see me, but the eagle has landed over there. So, I see him. Well, actually, no, I don't see him. But he's up in these trees right here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back tomorrow. But I'll come back in the morning. I'll fish this and see if I can maybe catch him kind of flying around. Maybe if I catch a fish or hold it up in the air like this and he can take it out of my hand. I don't know, that might be kind of cool. Just kidding, I don't want to lose a... Most likely I'll probably lose a finger. So I'm a couple casts in. I haven't had anything off of this cast master right here. I don't know if you guys can see. That's the one I was using. So I'm gonna try this blue and silver. I haven't fished with that one for a little bit, so I'm gonna try it. I can try a fly and a bobber, but I think I'm gonna have, I've always had luck with a lure at this lake, so I'm gonna try it, and mainly Castmaster, but let's try this blue silver and see what I get. Good bite with this one right here, this blue silver. He got off, and I've been seeing a lot more activity come follow this lure in, so I'm gonna keep trying it. So I'm starting to see a little bit of some surface activity as well, so I think they're getting a little active. Hopefully I can catch one for you guys. A lot of the fishing, you never know if you're going to catch anything or not, but I'd love to catch a fish for you guys for a YouTube video. But let's keep trying for a little bit. We're going to switch it up with a little fly. I don't know if you can see that right there. So we're going to try that for a little bit and see if I can catch anything off of that. Well, I finally caught a fish, and I caught it on a Castmaster. He's just a little guy. But yeah, finally got myself a little fish. I caught that one fish. I had a lot of bites, but that's the only one I was able to show you guys that was able to come to shore. Uh, it's been real peaceful out here. I mean, I haven't really ran in. There's a few other people fishing, but overall it's been pretty peaceful. But I'm going to call it fishing, and I'm going to head back to my house, and I will see you in the next video.